Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Docs where the file is not supported to upload, and I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So if you find this kind of error in your Google Docs, this is how you're going to fix this. First, you can just open your Google Drive. Okay, so this is my Google Drive. So what you need to do is just upload the file first into your Google Drive. So I'm going to click on new and select the file upload and choose the file. Here I'm going to open the file in here. This is the PDF file. Click on open and just wait until the file is completely uploaded. So the file is, where is it? Okay, so this is the file. So what you need to do is just right or click on it, go to the open with and find the Google Docs option. Tap on that and just wait until the file is opened. Okay, so as you guys can see here, now the file is open on Google Docs. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.